When a hotel gets awarded the title of Best Restaurant, you had better stand up and listen. That's why we're here today at the Pan Pacific Perth. These guys have just been awarded Restaurant of the Year at the Restaurant and Catering Institute Awards, and it's easy to see why. They have recently undergone massive renovations and have so much to offer no matter what you are looking for. It's a brilliant destination for great food, and who doesn't love hotel hospitality? Hill Street Bar is where our journey starts today. It's a lively, modern pub with great pub specials. If casual is not your thing, head into Must Vino for an exceptionally curated wine list. Sit back and relax in the sophisticated surrounds and enjoy fantastic cheese and charcuterie boards. Now, to my favourite, Uma. They have a new spring and summer menu packed full of Peruvian flavours, all designed to provide you with a great dining experience.
So in front of you, the first two are our ceviches. This one is made with strawberry and pepper. The fish we use is basically a market fish, or whatever we can get our hands on. Currently, it's gold band snapper. This one here is our tiradito hapon. You've got a beautiful Japanese mackerel fish, some avocado wasabi, fresh cucumber pearls, and some radish. So these two are our main courses. This is again a market fish. The sauce is a mango and white chocolate mole.
I did notice the dry aging cabinet out there. So you're putting your fish in a dry aging cabinet.
Yeah.
And you're dry aging your beef as well.
We have one for fish and one for beef.
And is that a dessert? I see it.
So this is one of our new desserts, textures of pineapple.
Oh, beautiful.
So we have, at the bottom, you have a pineapple that's been roasted on the grill, totally caramelized. On top of that is a pineapple sorbet. You've got a fresh pineapple chili and mint salsa and a bit of pineapple gel. We want you to try a little bit from each section. Each dish has its own identity.
How good is it that we've got a hotel in Perth that offers food to this level with hospitality to match? Pan Pacific Perth just do things right, they really do. So do yourself a favour and come and check out Uma. Or even better, why don't you check in for a staycay and get the full experience?